brave. How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching